I can't even get to come out, come do my everyday duty as me used to do, sell me soap. Cause the blogger them make me afraid of my community.
To the vlogger them we put out the false report on Jahshii thing and just put out some things on a year and just run with it. It'll cause real problem. Bang.
Yo, fear Edjahz. How a leap of work you put in for reach, so God know you not turn back not all. Put in the work daily, we no stall. Mommy want to wish you a go hard for her. Fear Edjahz. We see the pagans them, far we stay from them. Them no know the struggles, but them see the name brand them. We leap of stress done face from the age of 10. But real water man carry daily, and no paper and pen. Big up with the one friends we know. All who real and all who fake from when. Since we get a buzzy talk as be a problem. Hold on. Anyway, we got people that play me song them. Well, if I work we put in for reach us so. Fear Edjahz.
Fry, yeah, we chip like we chip rifle. Like the tip pies, now we buckle bomb house and then take the long title. Shake up a scheme out, try visit frighten. G2 Taurus, I carry 12, no disciple.
Up top. You don't know if Edjahz there on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all, no change. The door is always open, so don't know if you go do. On this show, we have popular entertainer Valiant Edjahz when I'm security member them. The entertainer was at an event performing for him fans them. Who don't know the usual when the fans them overexcited when them see them artists. Who not overexcited, overdo it majority of the time them. I don't know say right there's a security personnel them always step in and do them job. Now in this situation, it's like Valiant never like how the security are angle him job. Worse, a female involved is a female security that I deal with. Valiant never like how the G rough up moms. So him step in and put the security in place, in which I find to be one of the realest move from the artist. Remember, say the same fans them put him which part him there. So it's good for know say the artists I look out for them very same fans there.
Bag a spent shell on the ground coulda slide you. 357 Mac Chrome coulda blind you. Every day this the on me analyzing it. License boy want this spanglers a high glim high.
We also have Mama Ifrica, Queen Ifrica, I send a message out there to the bloggers them and the vloggers them. It look like Mama get the memo from Jahshii parents them. Or she do her research and see what take place cause it all over social media. Jahshii parents them found out and run with all rumors and allegations about Fidem family involvement in a murder upper Grand Spend. According to the artist's mother and father, it's like the vloggers them are set up them life. They make it clear so them not have nothing to do with the debt we going up a pen and a beer like the people them a tell upon them. And bear in mind to people down to the victim mother found out and say Jahshii and his mother now have nothing to do with it. So it's like Mama Ifrica mates a couple vloggers and bloggers now all the mates. Them now do them research before them run with the news and them a put people life at risk.
30 belly in everything. 100 they jump and bring. A brawl in the killer brawling. A brawl in the killer brawling. AK clip long.
We also have a grimy piece of track from the big bad law boss for run show. Who not supposed to know by now how Chronicler get to work when he bring down the darkness. All when they not kill a fly, just to how the entertainer set the track. You can't help yourself, automatically a bad right there on the spot. I just you enough to take the bait and the buckry. Understand your rascal self and know say I just music for entertain. People are the exact music video wanna see a display on the screen now and then we are speak of. It is entitled Chip Rifle from La Boss. I wanna know from the artist go chip, trouble then nearby. The artillery them out. So we are do the right and run through the one there from La Boss. But first, make we get the Valiant situation here out of the way. A security personnel out for beat up one of the Barbie them and Valiant did half a step in. How you do? Remember them man they say them boys don't got no Barbie. So how you for do that to the female while you are secure the diplomat? Don't feel like them man they are one of them hype artists they. Don't feel like Valiant are one of them man they think so them bigger than the fans. Them man they grateful for which part them they. And him now go forget a oh put him up there. And so comes to reach to this. Security boy, you nearly get your face tear off your touch moms. Oh yeah, deal with the fans so like it's a gunshot back on the artist. Me no response if it's a male or a female fan. As long as them not trying to fishy stunt with the artist, more while some of the security them for bill and wall meds. And that's why I'm have to praise Valiant Panda Movia. Yeah man, we have to applaud the artist for step in and put the security in place. Yeah, they have to secure, you know, they have to beat up the fans them and put me which part me there. People, make me know the thoughts and opinion on the current situation. You know, big up Valiant. Big up the female and big up the security personnel to same way. are the great legendary Mama G, Lady G, and her daughter performance that you just take it. Well, a small clippings cause I know the full performance that. Anyways, when I get familiar with Mama daughter, she truly talented. I know the first nor the second time we are featured up on a platform. We see the talent before we even know say a Lady G daughter. So don't feel like just because her parents we are talk about her. Cause she's also the daughter of the great Barrington Levy. So great running her blood from all angles. Her stage name is Molly. Get familiar with her. She have lyrics, she can sing, she can do reggae, she truly talented.
It was a one-time fling, nothing too serious. I just called you over to get a touch. I could care less how you feeling now.
Nobody chuck it, me carry gun in a public. Me bullets come in a bucket, don't know we turn in a dope it. Yeah, sentiments me come from, so the scene they must not take the mount. I chop the pussy, get them same running a chuck.
So that's Bad Artist Chronicler new official music video entitled Chip Rifle, and it's produced by 1G One Group Records. Big up to the production team, as you can see them are put in the work. Quality audio track, quality music video. So big up to One Group Records once more again. Now to this a grimy wicked man track from Chronicler. The title alone show which part the concept there. Good little while now me not feature a grimy track from an artist. And who else to feature than a law boss when me want grimy up the place? Them man they don't know the assignment from morning. Nobody chuck it, me carry my gun in a public brawling. My bullet done in a bucket on a will turn in a dopey. St. Thomas me come from, so no know the scene them must dirty. The amount I chop the pussy get them same running a chucky. Lyrics and it not even rhyme. Just for showing us a law boss no play, it make it look easy.
Probably running a bush, them probably going a gully, but anyway them a hide there, so the killer them going. And I like me like badness, I love me go love it. We just kill for free, mind dog and never the money.
Yo, law boss a deal with the beat, heartless. Him a talk some grimy things. Him a chat the badness, brawling with no warning. And him not care what the naysayers them want say. Him just a tell the fans them just like it is. I don't like my like badness, I love my go love it. We just kill for free, mind dog, and never the money. JJ, don't follow law boss people. You don't know if you just talk truth around here and I tell my people them no farm a buckery. And music the artist I do. And him no fans out here see him we love the grimy hardcore track like myself here. Plus a them kind of meditation here law boss well from morning. When I know reality a hardcore, a real G in a music. Yeah man, them artists are rough. So anytime when I see the artist go dark mode, just step aside if you're a Christian, cause him nah hold back.
No can't style it down. No never see a scope with night vision. Dead body in a sun like a white titan. Make your rifle twang like it a try fi scam. Fully dark color boss, you know.
Yo, that brother you sick with him lyrics them in a people. JJ, law boss, him there for stay people, we have to talk truth. Dead body in a sun like a white titan. What a blood clot simile right there. No doubt the body they have to decompose to how long it in the sun. So me definitely overs the comparison there with the artist make. Make your rifle twang like it a try fi scam. Sweet piece of rhyme, sweet piece of simile, sweet piece of lyrics overall. La boss, a body bad. Me nah say not no more. Bad track, bad video. People me I recommend you to go check out that one here like right now. It over the artist page a trend down the place. Me want see it somewhere in the top 10. They are 15 now. Do the right. Especially the ones them still appreciate them hardcore track. La boss they have to feed you with them cause I know say that a dance all from morning. So big up the entertainer upon that one here. A Chip Rifle him go.
Face no pretty when it's a 40 ball. Looking at fridge, me now have me yard. 30 belly in everything. 100 they jump on.
You see them vloggers and bloggers they out there when I have no real good true intentions towards the country and really and truly no like artists neither and no like some Jamaicans. But also want to say to the item said the item create some real damages on the ground. When time when I put out the things them on social space, I create some real damages in some real people life. And me I said this for said. To the vlogger them we put out the false report on Jahshii thing and just put out some things on a year and just run with it. It'll cause real problems. So I say my lord. So that video I just to continue to defend a little youth when named Jahshii in a music. I don't really know not much about Jahshii personally, but I know him art in a music and I know say over the years I watch some whole little things happen to some of them little youth that come along in a music and no one that they really say yo wagwan really and truly. So this way I doing at a moment here. Lana me seeing it Romy and Jahshii mother them. Them are good friends, they not have no enmity amongst each other. Grand Spend community by and large defend Jahshii as a youth to rise up out of the inner city. Him have him treat where him keep for Grand Spend. Him have him things where him give back to the school morning. Him have him things where him give back to the school. You know what I mean? Him also him play a guitar. Him do a portion of things according to when me I learn about him, things that me never know about him before, you know? And so when you call it a damning allegation, it could be said. Seeing we don't go on with the youth to drop out and the rumors round the artist name and things. So we are say, because we always love each other in the music and defend each other in the music, may I put out that video on behalf of Miss Lana, Jahshii mother, and also Romy mother. Me seeing it. Seeing them not have no enmity amongst them one another, them not hate upon each other. Grand Spend people defend Jahshii if you don't know say Jahshii right and if you don't know say Jahshii innocent. That's what I say, and continue to defend him. Continue to defend him because you know all him have. That's what I say. I will not defend people in the ranks and we not try to look to defend no ranks. But if everyone in the community I say nobody never spit upon Jahshii mother and not like them think they never go on, then who is we if we believe otherwise? That's what I say. So we just want to say to the bloggers and bloggers them out. They say be careful what you not put up, man. Make sure so you do no thorough investigation and check out the things them before you post them, because you never know you could have ruined somebody's life. That's what I say. And not how we are just about the money making thing we notice with them, man. So do the right thing. Report it right.
That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers that stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
A brawl in the killer brawling. A brawl in the killer brawling. AK clip long like bridge. With a little bend like dog grips.